Hello, in this video I'll show you how you can delete your Clickbank account in 2022. So first off, we obviously want to log in. Just give it a second, like that. Okay, and from this page we want to go to the Accounts tab right here. Accounts, and I only have one account currently. So after that you need to click on the blue link which leads you to your account. And it should take you to a completely different page, right? A more outdated looking one. So from here, we want to go to account settings in the right corner. And then on the second tab where it says account information, we want to click on edit. From here, as you can see at the very bottom, we have this option to close account. Right bottom page, if we click on it, it will require some extra information, gives us or prompts us with a warning, you're about to close your account. You can tell them why you're closing your account, and then when you have selected the option, just click this blue button and your Clickbank account should be permanently closed. Thank you for watching. I hope this was useful. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you boys and girls next time. Bye bye.